Canada Post.
Kristen Stanix greets her Canada Post delivery driver. It's a busy time of year at her linen store.
This is the make it or break it for a lot of retail businesses in the fourth quarter. This is the time where you need to be focusing on your customers and selling as much as you can.
So a possible Canada Post work stoppage during a critical time of year will hurt. 30% of Stanix sales are online.
It could mean that a lot of people aren't going to choose to shop and have packages delivered to them.
According to the Canadian Federation of Independent Business, 79% of small businesses in the country will be impacted by a work disruption at a time when they make as much as 40% of their annual sales.
This time of the year is critical. It is the most important time of the year for many small businesses.
The union issued 72-hour strike notice Tuesday. Canada Post is offering an 11.5% wage increase over 4 years. The union is pushing for 23%. Canada Post wants weekend delivery, but the union is opposed. For now, the federal government won't step in.
We will make every effort possible to keep them at the table and keep them talking. And we hope to achieve a negotiated settlement.
If not, it could mean no mail delivery as of Friday. And if that happens, one local courier company is ready to step in to help. Victoria-based Maxim Express says it's prepared to offer a deal to help out its customers and potentially the community.
We're offering $6 per delivery. So a normal delivery like that would be about $10 to $12, depending on where it was going. So we've got a flat rate of $6. All the restriction on that is that it's under 2 pounds and it's delivered within Greater Victoria, Colwood, Sydney.
For now, at least, with hours to go before the midnight deadline, the union and the Crown Corporation are still negotiating, with hopes a strike can still be avoided.